Good morning, class 5, and welcome to the class. Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6. I think you all are able to see the board. I am audible and visible to everyone, isn't it? Okay, we will start from chapter number 6, that is be my multiple, I will be your factor. This is the chapter related to factors and multiples, isn't it? From the name of the chapter it is clear. Be my multiple, I'll be your factor. That means if you are the multiple, then it is the factors also. So let us start the chapter. You open page number 87. This is chapter number 6. I will read, you will go through it. Okay. Yes, this is my request to everyone. Kindly mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute the microphone. Otherwise my voice and my picture will not be available to you. Mute your microphone, everyone. Yes, for chapter number 5, does it look the same? I don't think that you have any problem. And since I have given you the homework, I think you have completed. Now today I want to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, be my multiple, I will be your factor. I am reading, you just go through it. The mouse and the cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch Gunjan, the mouse. Now you can see in the picture there is a cat and there is a mouse. Now as the cat, always its habit is to chase the mouse. So she is chasing the mouse Gunjan. Now Gunjan is now on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. In the picture you can see Gunjan, the mouse, she is in the 14th step and she can jump only 2 steps at a time. That means first she will jump in 14, then from 14 she will be 16, then from 16 she will be going to 18, 2 steps, then again 2 steps from 18 she will be going to 20, and again 2 steps from 20 she will be going to 22. Like this way 2 steps she will cover, isn't it? So this is the steps for the mouse. Now come to the cat. The cat is on the 3rd step. As you can see in the picture, the cat, she is in the 3rd step. 1, 2, 3 in the 3rd step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. Now the cat, she can jump 3 steps. That means now she is in 3, next she will be in 6, then 9, then 12. Like this 3 steps she will jump. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole. Now it is saying that if the mouse is reaching to 28, it will just hide herself in that hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. Now you have to find it out whether the mouse, she will get away safely inside the hole, or that cat, it will grab the mouse. Okay. Subhecha, switch off your front camera. Subhecha, switch off your front camera. And Brishti, I think you are not following the videos, the offline videos. See the e-portal. In the e-portal, I have already uploaded the factors and multiples, the composite maths. Okay, so kindly follow that one also. It is in the YouTube or in my e-portal. The Math Magic as well as Composite Maths, both are in the YouTubes or in the e-portal. So kindly follow that site. Then you will get Magic as well as Composite, both. Okay. And Prince and Onno, this is page number 87 we are doing. Page number 87, the new chapter. So kindly come to page number 87. Okay, see the first one. The steps on which the mouse jumps. You will write these answers in the book. Okay, not in the copy, in the book itself. So you have to find the mouse steps on which the steps on which the mouse jumps. Quickly tell me, which are the steps the mouse will jump? Which are the steps the mouse will jump? The mouse is starting from 14 and he is taking 2 steps at a time. That means 14, next will be 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. Okay, these are the steps for the mouse. Now answer number B, the steps on which the cat jumps. Now you have to find for the cat. The cat, she is starting from 3 and she takes 3 steps. She is starting from 3 and she is taking 3 steps. That means 3, then 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. Okay, now number C. The steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. Now you have to find it out which is common. That means which are the common steps where the mouse as well as the cat, both of them have jumped. See, it is 18, mouse, cat, both. And then 24, the mouse and the cat, both. That means the common multiple of mouse and cat is 18, 24. 18, 24. Okay, 18, 24. Is it clear to everyone? Now the next one. Can the mouse get away? Can the mouse get away? So Becha, I have told you, you have to do it in the book with the help of the pencil. With the help of the pencil, you have to do it in the book. Now tell me, can the mouse get away? See, for the mouse, the last step is 28, and in the last step 28, there is the hole from where he can get away. Whereas for the cat, the last step is 27. The last step is 27, isn't it? So, the mouse can get away. So, answer will be yes, the mouse can get away. Okay, you write yes, the mouse can get away. The mouse can get away. Now come to the next one. Find out. If the cat starts from the 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time, and the mouse starts from the 8th step and jumps 4 steps at a time, can the mouse get away? Now let us find for this. The mouse, he is in the 8th step and 4 steps he is jumping at a time. Whereas the cat, he is in the 5th step and he is jumping 5 steps. Okay, let us find it out. The cat. the cat, he is starting from 5. And 5 steps he is taking. That means 5 steps at a time he is taking. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and the next step it will be 30, which is not given in the book. Only up to 29 is given. So it will be 30. Now for the mouse. For the mouse, how many steps the mouse is jumping? She is starting from 8. She is starting from 8th step. 8, and he is taking 4 steps. So 8, next will be 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So what can you see? There is a common number 20. That means the cat and the mouse, they both come to 20, and the mouse will catch the cat will catch the mouse, isn't it? It will catch because both have a common multiple, that is 20. So this time the mouse will not be able to get away. Understood? And Brishti, number C, the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. That means what are the steps both the mouse and the cat, they are jumping together. Means they are crossing the numbers. It is 18 and 24. Both of them are crossing number 18 as well as number 24. Okay. So this way, if they are taking 5 steps the cat and 4 steps the mouse, then the mouse will be caught by the cat. Okay. So it is not safe for the mouse to have 4 steps at a time. Now come to page number 88. Come to page number 88. Who is Monto waiting for? A very nice heading. See, Monto cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. Now here Monto cat, as you can see the picture, there is a big fat cat and its name is Monto. So he is waiting for someone. You have to find it out that who is that someone by solving these clues or these questions. Now from 1 to 60, the numbers are written in the book. You will do in the book itself. Okay. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. That means you have to give a red dot above the box which are divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2. I think you all know the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called what? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called what? Quickly answer me. The numbers which are divisible by 2, they are called what numbers? Shubhecha and Onkita, kindly switch off your front camera. Very good. They are called even numbers. So the numbers which are divisible by 2, they are called even numbers. Okay. So you have to give a red dot over the box which numbers are divisible by 2. So quickly give a red dot. It will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40. Then 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, and 52, 54, 56, 58, and 60. These are the numbers which are divisible by 2. You have to give a red dot over the box. Okay. Given. Just give a red dot over the box. Next one. Mark a yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3 and a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. Now you have to write the numbers which are divisible by 3. You have to give a yellow dot over the box, and the numbers which are divisible by 4, that numbers you have to give a blue dot over the box. Okay. So I think you have done in the factors and multiples the divisibility test. So for divisibility test of 3, what you have to do? To test the divisibility of 3, what you have to do? Quickly write in the chat box what you have to do for the you have to add the numbers. Whatever number is given, you have to add the numbers, and on addition, if the number is divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3, isn't it? We have to add all numbers. Okay, so this is the test of divisibility by 3. Similarly, you have also read the test of divisibility by 4, isn't it? So quickly give a yellow dot and the blue dot in the numbers. So for yellow dot, you will start from 3. 3, then 6, then 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Next number will be 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 49, sorry, not 49, 48. Then 51, 54, 57 and 60. These numbers are divisible by 3. And the numbers which are divisible by 4, it will be starting from 4. That means you have to just mark a dot, the numbers or the multiples of 4. So 4 ones are 4, you will give a dot. Then 4 twos are 8, so again you will give the second dot in 8, the blue dot. Then 4 threes are 12, so in 12 again you will give the dot. Like this way you will count the multiples and you will give the dots. It is very easy and very quick. Okay, only the multiples. That means you have to read the table. First, for red dot you will read the table of 2. For the yellow dot you will read the table of 3. For blue dot you will read the table of 4. Okay, these are the tables. These are the tables you have to read, and then you have to give a dot. Red, blue, yellow. Red for 2 divisible by 2, yellow for divisible by 3, and blue dot for divisible by 4. Okay, quickly give it. Given. Now tell me, what are the boxes which have dots of all the 3 colors? What are the boxes which have all the 3 colors? That means red, yellow, blue. All the 3 colors it has. What are the numbers? Exactly. It is 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. These are the numbers which have both, not both, all the 3 colors. Red, yellow and blue. Then the next question. What are the letters on the top of these boxes? So as you know, on the top of these boxes is M, O, U, S, E. M, O, U, S, E. Mouse, isn't it? Yes. Now the last one. Write those letters below in order. That means you have to write these letters according to the alphabets. Means alphabetical orders you have to write. Okay. Now which will come first alphabetically? Quickly tell me which will come first alphabetically. M-O-U-S-E, which comes in alphabetically first. That means when you are counting from A, B, C, D, E, F, like this way, which letter comes first? Very good, Brishti. It is E. Next letter will be? Next letter will be? The girls, they are very active. Next letter. Quickly tell me the next letter. Abhipsha, it is not O. It is wrong. M and then O. As one of you are writing, so all are writing the same. What will be the next one? I am right or wrong? Is it will be U or S? I am right or wrong? Class 5, that means you are not present in the class. What you are doing? Whatever I am writing, you are writing the same thing. It will be S and the U. Really, in the chat box also you are writing the same thing. I was wrong at that time and you are also writing the same thing. That means you are not present in the class. Your concentration is not in the class. Okay, so up to this you will practice once again in your home copy. Okay, so today up to this only we will do the next topics, that is meow game, in our next class. Okay, so bye all of you for today. Up to this only you practice the maths at home, and goodbye for today.